Hey guys, it's Ashi and welcome back to Gadget 360. So Samsung just wrapped up its annual Unpacked event where the company launched two new foldable smartphones, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G and the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Now both these foldables stole the limelight and look quite promising. And this time around, Samsung has also brought the S Pen support from the Note series to its foldable Z series. Now, besides foldables, Samsung also introduced Galaxy Buds 2 and the Galaxy Watch Series 4. So if you missed watching this event, then here's a quick wrap up of everything that you need to know. Starting with the star of the show, the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which is claimed to be the world's first water-resistant foldable smartphone, which also gets an under-display camera sensor that is only visible when it is in use. It comes in Phantom Black, Phantom Green and Phantom Silver color options, and when folded, it offers a 6.2-inch HD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2X display, and when unfolded, it opens into a massive 7.6-inch primary display. The Z Fold 3 gets new Flex Mode features which will let you do more things at once. You can join a video call on the device's top screen while checking meeting notes on the bottom. And its biggest highlight is that it gets the S Pen support. It has a retractable pro tip that can protect Z Fold 3's main screen for peace of mind while using the S Pen. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 on the other hand is a much smaller foldable smartphone that opens into a clamshell design. It has a flex mode panel which will let you conveniently watch video on the top half of the screen and manage brightness and volume at the bottom half. While clicking pictures on the Z Flip 3, you can even preview the shot being taken on the cover screen as well as the main screen. The cover screen on the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is 4 times larger than its predecessor. Both these foldables are said to be the world's first water-resistant foldable smartphones with IPX8 rating. The Z Fold 3 is priced at $1,799, while the Z Flip 3 costs $999 in the US, and its India prices are unknown at the moment. Next up, the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Watch 4 Classic. Now both the watches feature a circular frame and customizable colorful straps. They run One UI watch based on the new Wear OS. The watches get a heart rate monitoring system, SpO2 tracking and sleep analysis. Both come with a water-resistant IP68 certified build. They are designed to work with Samsung Pay and Google Pay services as well as provide notifications for call. So what's the difference between the two? The Watch 4 Classic has one of those physical rotating bezels, while the standard Watch 4 gets a touch-sensitive bezel that's accessible while swiping at the edges of the screen. The Galaxy Watch 4 starts at $249 and the Classic Edition is slightly expensive and starts at $349. In addition to these smartwatches and foldable phones, Samsung also launched its new wireless earbuds called the Galaxy Buds 2. These are Samsung's smallest and lightest earbuds yet that feature an iconic curved shape. They come in graphite, white, olive and lavender color options, and they get active noise cancellation that can block out unwanted noise. The Galaxy Buds 2 are priced at $149 in the US. Now we don't know when these devices will hit the stores in India and how much they are going to cost. But in case of foldables, they are sure going to be really expensive. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about these brand new devices from Samsung.